As a military enthusiast and a writer, delving into the evolution of military body armor has been a fascinating journey. The history of body armor can be traced back to ancient times when warriors used various forms of protection made from materials like leather, bronze, and even silk. The purpose was simple: to safeguard the wearer from enemy attacks during battles. Fast forward to modern times, and the evolution of military body armor has been nothing short of remarkable. From the introduction of steel plates during World War II to the development of Kevlar and advanced ceramics, the evolution of military body armor has been driven by the need to provide optimal protection without compromising mobility. The constant advancements in technology have revolutionized the way we perceive and design protective gear for our soldiers. The introduction of Kevlar in the 1970s marked a significant leap in the development of military body armor. This lightweight, synthetic fiber material offered improved protection against ballistic threats while allowing for greater flexibility and reduced fatigue for the wearer. Over the years, advancements in materials science and manufacturing techniques have led to the creation of composite armor, which combines multiple materials to provide enhanced protection against a wide range of threats, including bullets, shrapnel, and explosives. The evolution of military body armor has been a testament to human innovation and the unwavering commitment to ensuring the safety and survivability of our troops on the battlefield. The evolution of military body armor has also been shaped by the changing nature of warfare. As the tactics and weapons used in combat continue to evolve, so too must the protective gear worn by our soldiers. The development of modular armor systems has allowed for greater customization, enabling soldiers to adapt their protection based on the specific threats they may encounter in different environments. This adaptability has become crucial in modern warfare, where asymmetrical threats and unconventional tactics pose new challenges for our armed forces. The evolution of military body armor is a testament to the ongoing dedication to innovation in the relentless pursuit of enhancing the survivability of those who serve on the front lines. Components of modern military body armor. Modern military body armor is a marvel of engineering, comprising several key components that work together to provide comprehensive protection for the wearer. The primary components of modern military body armor include the outer shell, ballistic inserts, soft armor panels, and trauma pads. The outer shell serves as the first line of defense, providing abrasion resistance and durability while also offering a platform for attaching additional equipment such as pouches and accessories. Ballistic inserts, typically made from advanced ceramics or composite materials, are designed to withstand and dissipate the energy from ballistic threats, such as bullets and shrapnel. These inserts are strategically placed within the outer shell to provide vital protection to vital organs and vulnerable areas of the body. To complement the ballistic inserts, soft armor panels made from materials like Kevlar are incorporated into modern military body armor to provide protection against handgun rounds and fragmentation. These flexible panels are designed to conform to the body, allowing for greater mobility and comfort without compromising protection. In addition to ballistic protection, trauma pads are integrated into modern military body armor to mitigate the effects of blunt force trauma from high-velocity impacts. These pads are strategically placed to absorb and disperse the energy from impacts, reducing the risk of internal injuries and enhancing the overall survivability of the wearer. The integration of these components in modern military body armor represents a holistic approach to protection, addressing a wide range of threats and hazards that soldiers may encounter in the field. The careful consideration of materials, design, and ergonomics ensures that modern military body armor provides the highest level of protection without impeding the mobility and effectiveness of the wearer. The relentless pursuit of innovation and excellence in the design and construction of modern military body armor is a testament to the unwavering commitment to safeguarding the lives of those who serve in defense of their nations. Advanced materials used in modern military armor. The development of modern military body armor has been driven by advancements in materials science, leading to the incorporation of cutting-edge materials that offer superior protection and performance. One of the most prominent materials used in modern military armor is aramid fibers, such as Kevlar and Twarin. These synthetic fibers exhibit exceptional strength and resistance to ballistic threats, making them an ideal choice for ballistic inserts and soft armor panels. The lightweight and flexible nature of aramid fibers allows for improved mobility and comfort, crucial factors for soldiers operating in dynamic and challenging environments. In addition to aramid fibers, advanced ceramics play a critical role in modern military body armor, particularly in providing protection against high-velocity rifle rounds and armor-piercing projectiles. Materials like alumina and silicon carbide are used to create composite ceramic plates that can withstand the extreme forces generated by ballistic impacts. These ceramic plates are designed to shatter and disperse the energy from incoming projectiles, reducing the likelihood of penetration and minimizing the trauma experienced by the wearer. The combination of aramid fibers and advanced ceramics represents a formidable synergy of materials that sets the standard for modern military body armor. Furthermore, the integration of lightweight and high-strength polymers, such as ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, UHMWPE, has further enhanced the protective capabilities of modern military armor. These polymers offer exceptional resistance to ballistic threats while also exhibiting excellent resistance to abrasion and environmental conditions. The use of advanced materials in modern military body armor reflects the continuous pursuit of innovation and excellence in providing the highest level of protection for our soldiers. The relentless exploration of new materials and manufacturing techniques is a testament to the commitment to staying at the forefront of protective gear technology. Impact of modern military armor on soldier survivability. The adoption of modern military body armor has had a profound impact on soldier survivability in combat environments. The enhanced protective capabilities of modern military armor have significantly reduced the likelihood of fatal injuries from ballistic and explosive threats, leading to a substantial increase in the survivability of soldiers on the battlefield. The integration of advanced materials and innovative design features has allowed modern military body armor to provide comprehensive protection against a wide range of threats, including bullets, shrapnel, and fragmentation. This level of protection has proven to be instrumental in saving the lives of countless soldiers in high-risk environments. Moreover, the ergonomic and lightweight nature of modern military body armor has contributed to the overall effectiveness and endurance of soldiers in the field. The reduction in weight and bulkiness of modern armor has alleviated the physical strain and fatigue experienced by soldiers, enabling them to operate more efficiently and with greater agility. This improved mobility and comfort have a direct impact on the effectiveness of soldiers in carrying out their duties, further contributing to their survivability in dynamic and demanding combat scenarios. The positive impact of modern military armor on soldier survivability underscores its pivotal role in enhancing the safety and effectiveness of our armed forces. In addition to the immediate effects on survivability, modern military body armor has also influenced the long-term well-being of soldiers by reducing the risk of debilitating injuries and trauma. The incorporation of trauma pads and energy-absorbing materials in modern armor has mitigated the effects of high-velocity impacts, minimizing the risk of internal injuries and long-term health complications. By providing a comprehensive safeguard against various threats, modern military body armor has not only saved lives but has also contributed to the overall physical and mental well-being of those who serve on the front lines. The profound impact of modern military armor on soldier survivability serves as a testament to the continuous advancements in protective gear technology and the unwavering commitment to the safety and welfare of our military personnel. Comparison with traditional body armor. The evolution of modern military body armor has brought about a stark contrast when compared to traditional body armor in terms of protective capabilities, mobility, and comfort. Traditional body armor, often made from materials like steel, offered limited protection against ballistic and explosive threats while being cumbersome and restrictive in terms of mobility. The weight and bulkiness of traditional armor posed significant challenges for soldiers, hindering their ability to maneuver and perform effectively in combat environments. The lack of flexibility and breathability in traditional body armor further compounded the physical strain and discomfort experienced by wearers, impacting their overall readiness and endurance. In contrast, modern military body armor represents a paradigm shift in protective gear technology, offering superior protection, enhanced mobility, and improved comfort for soldiers. The integration of advanced materials, such as Kevlar, advanced ceramics, and lightweight polymers, has significantly improved the protective capabilities of modern armor, providing comprehensive safeguarding against a diverse range of threats. The ergonomic design and strategic placement of ballistic inserts and soft armor panels have allowed for greater flexibility and agility, enabling soldiers to operate with heightened effectiveness and reduced fatigue. The advancements in modern military armor have redefined the standards of protection and performance, setting a new benchmark for the welfare and effectiveness of our military personnel. Furthermore, the adaptability and customization offered by modern military body armor stand in stark contrast to the rigid and standardized nature of traditional armor. The modular design of modern armor systems allows for the integration of additional protective elements and accessories, catering to the specific needs and threats faced by soldiers in different operational environments. This level of customization ensures that soldiers are equipped with tailored protection that optimally addresses the challenges they may encounter, further underscoring the superiority of modern military body armor over its traditional counterparts. The comparison between modern military armor and traditional body armor highlights the transformative impact of technological advancements on the safety, mobility, and effectiveness of our armed forces. The depiction of modern military armor in popular culture, such as in the video game Fallout 4, often presents a blend of fiction and reality, showcasing futuristic designs and capabilities that captivate the imagination of players and enthusiasts. In Fallout 4, the portrayal of modern military armor features advanced exoskeletons, energy shields, and integrated weapon systems that go beyond the current state of real-world military armor technology. While the game's rendition of modern military armor offers an intriguing and immersive experience, it is essential to distinguish between the fictional elements and the existing reality of modern military body armor. In reality, modern military body armor, while highly advanced, does not yet possess the fantastical attributes seen in Fallout 4. The current state of military armor technology prioritizes practical and functional design elements that provide optimal protection and mobility for soldiers in real-world combat scenarios. The integration of advanced materials, ergonomic features, and modular design principles represents the pinnacle of modern military body armor, offering a level of protection and versatility that significantly enhances the survivability and effectiveness of soldiers. The real-world application of modern military armor may not mirror the fictional depictions seen in entertainment media, but its impact and significance in safeguarding the lives of our military personnel are undeniable. However, it is worth noting that the portrayal of modern military armor in popular culture, such as in Fallout 4, serves as a source of inspiration and imagination for the continued advancement of protective gear technology. The futuristic concepts and designs depicted in video games and other forms of media provide a platform for envisioning the possibilities and potential future developments in military armor technology. While the gap between fiction and reality may be substantial, the creative representations of modern military armor in popular culture contribute to the ongoing dialogue and exploration of innovative ideas that could shape the future of protective gear for our armed forces. The juxtaposition of Fallout 4's modern military armor with the real-world technology underscores the captivating allure and the aspirational nature of advancements in military protective gear. As we look ahead, the future of modern military body armor technology holds immense promise and potential for groundbreaking advancements that will further elevate the protective capabilities and performance of protective gear for our soldiers. The ongoing research and development in materials science, nanotechnology, and additive manufacturing are poised to revolutionize the landscape of military armor technology, ushering in a new era of innovation and excellence. One of the most anticipated future trends in modern military body armor technology is the integration of smart materials and adaptive structures that can dynamically respond to changing threats and environmental conditions. The incorporation of smart materials, such as shape memory alloys and impact-responsive polymers, holds the potential to create armor systems that can actively adapt their protective properties in real time, providing enhanced safeguarding against varying levels of threats. These adaptive structures could revolutionize the way modern military body armor responds to ballistic impacts, blasts, and other hazards, offering unprecedented levels of protection and survivability for soldiers in the field. Additionally, advancements in nanotechnology are expected to lead to the development of ultra-lightweight and ultra-strong materials that will further reduce the weight and bulkiness of modern armor while enhancing its protective capabilities. Furthermore, the convergence of additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, with advanced materials is set to redefine the design and production of modern military body armor. This transformative approach will enable the creation of intricately designed and customized armor components that are tailored to the specific needs and anatomical characteristics of individual soldiers. The ability to rapidly prototype and manufacture complex armor structures with precise material composition and geometry will revolutionize the level of customization and performance offered by modern military body armor. These future trends in modern military armor technology represent a glimpse into the exciting possibilities that await, promising to reshape the standards of protection and survivability for our armed forces. In the landscape of contemporary warfare, the importance of modern military body armor cannot be overstated, as it serves as a critical safeguard for the lives and well-being of our soldiers facing diverse and evolving threats. The dynamic and unpredictable nature of modern conflict scenarios demands that our armed forces are equipped with the most advanced and effective protective gear available. Modern military body armor plays a pivotal role in mitigating the risks posed by ballistic, explosive, and asymmetrical threats, providing soldiers with the confidence and assurance to carry out their missions with heightened safety and effectiveness. Moreover, the significance of modern military armor extends beyond its role in directly protecting soldiers. The psychological impact of wearing advanced protective gear cannot be overlooked, as it instills a sense of confidence and resilience in soldiers, bolstering their mental readiness and morale in high-risk environments. The knowledge that they are equipped with state-of-the-art protective gear that offers unparalleled safeguarding against a multitude of threats enhances the overall psychological well-being and combat readiness of our military personnel. This sense of security and assurance is instrumental in empowering soldiers to confront and overcome the challenges they may encounter in the line of duty. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos and join our community of infinite technology fans.